How about the 1937 Hudson Custom Series 77 Country Club Touring Sedan?
Beauty.
Man, royal maroon over light brown. Known history from new. A very long-term ownership. The guy who owned it has owned it for probably 30-something years. And it's got the inline 8 and 3-speed manual. This thing is just stately.
Beautiful car.
A beautiful car.
I looked it up and I don't remember writing it, so I had to reread.
Right.
And it is a stunning car, and it's collector grade.
So you just get into that focus, right? Where you're just writing.
I write it and then
it's just,
on to the next one.
Way out of your head. So